Alrighty peoples, Scruffy Gardener here. This is my potato, not tomato, potato, no potato, grab bag. It's got a flap at the side, but I ain't never used that. It was looking a bit dead at the top, like that. So I decided to surf it out. So that's all the things I ripped out. And this is my first spot harvest. Not bad from one grow bag. Show you the rest of my potatoes. So there's some sorry ones in here. I'll probably harvest those on the weekend. Now I did mound them up. Everyone says you get more of a harvest from mounding up. Maybe I'll do that next year. So I haven't done it here, but what I will do is I have done here. So mounded up these mofos. So there's some beetroot snuck in the corner there. So I'm trying to do around that, and the rest of it's mounded up. So we'll see how those go. These were planted before those grow bags, so they should be bigger while we're here. Look at those epic purple snow peas. So I've got more potatoes. I'll show you where they are. Right, here's some more potatoes. There. On the weekend I'll mound these up because the silly dog tries to eat them. The dog's got a like for raw potatoes. Go figure. While we're here, let's have a look at these. Sugar snap and snow peas. Look at that. The size of my middle finger. They're still growing. It's my 6-pack of peas. Maybe not quite a 6-pack. This isn't sponsored by Mr. Finch at all. If you want to know, it's a nice cider. It's not stupid sweet, it's nice and dry. So this is my collection of snow peas, sugar snaps, and purple snow peas. Purple snow peas are wicked because you can pick them easy, because you can see them against the green foliage. So if you want to grow epic sugar snaps like that, add a bag of spuds, please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out from the Scruffy Gardener.